Victory for Comedy Financial Alerts. Yes, I know I should clean my chart from my lines from the XY, but I got a new broker, but the chart is not just giving is not just giving this nonsense. So I have to run and come back because there's nothing much for me to explain over here. Just make this wide, as people will see, and then just I'll also give it to you guys very very quickly, and that's it. And for the best part, I think the XY and Euro USD move, the way it move, very very similar. You see it happens so beautiful. It's like a replication on the chart. So for Euro and the XY is an extra confluence that you can use to trade any other pair that is tied to USD. So when you know what you is doing is very very good. So definitely yes, the XY was trending upward before it break down from this trend line, and then it came, and then we saw this it got to this low, but as it did this, it gave us like a W, and yep, it broke out, and ever since then the XY has been strong. Now, from you guys already know that when you see purple lines like this means a weekly zone, and you guys can see why those purple lines are there. Those are key levels, and then anything that is green like this, these are daily zones. So from what we can see right over here, let me zoom it out so you guys will see it clearly. Right over here, yeah, this is why I place this weekly at this particular place. Yep. So as you guys can see, that last week candle on the XY, this is what it did not we had sweeping, better sweeping board. Look at it, it did not just close above this key level over here, it also closed above this. And not that it just did that, it closed, look at it, look at the distance, convincingly above, so giving you strength for the XY. And it also closed not just above these weekly levels, there's also a daily level over here that the XY is closing above, giving you dollar strength. And so we switch over to the daily time frame to understand these levels. You can see from the chart, all these green lines are, you can see it, they are daily levels over it. When if I should go back, you understand why all these levels are in place. So you can see that this particular place that the market is reacting to, there's a green. Yeah, you can see that there's a green. These yellow ones are 1 hour, but look at it. Unlike gold that did something like this, it broke above and convincingly and stayed there, and then the next day it now closed below something like this. The XY did not do something like that. You can see that the XY tried to break but failed, and on the daily you can see the wick, see where it closed below the body. So you pay attention to closing of candles, is very very important. It tried to break, it closed. The red one, look at it, the red ones opened below, closed below this daily place, and even the next day closed below again this place area, then the XY should be flying down. But the next candle, what happened? It reclaimed that level and closed above it. It still kissed this daily place, kissed it, but did not close above it. So it does not suggest any fake out from the XY. It's still telling you of the story to the upside. And why? Since it has closed above this weekly level and has left there, you will definitely know that the target of the XY should be to get to the next weekly level, which is right over here. And if you look at the market right over here, they move to this upside. Even this long week was just to take out early sellers that were around this level, and that was what it did. And then if you still look carefully around this area, let me delete distance. If you look around clearly over this area, see that when market, this particular red candle, that the market, there's imbalance around this area, loss of imbalance. So that is why the XY might garner strength from this key level that it just left over here to come and take out, fill this imbalance that is sitting over here, and also take out sellers that are here and sweep these highs over here, giving us dollar strength. And let me also show you guys something that is also very, very beautiful in the long while. And there's another reason why the XY will likely take out this high, this particular high, and this high, and this high, and take over and continue going, is because if you look over here, this breakdown of this red candle, this impulsive red candle around 109 to this place, there's still an imbalance. So it's, even though the market is just about to take out, if the market should take out this high, definitely he has taken out this particular one and it's taking out this particular one. Nothing is stopping the XY from going to take this place and also testing the neckline of this place, and it's a strong for this thing. Now Donald Trump has won. It's strong for the economy. This is what we know fundamentally, and that thing that people don't pay attention to, and I'm going to tell you, is this: USA is a producing economy, and we are in the ember month, so they'll be producing and be supplying to the world. So production will go up, their economy will be very, very good. So take November and December, even January and February, first quarter of next year, the XY should be very, very strong, because even after Christmas, there is New Year, there will still be Valentine. So gifts will be going around, and Easter will still be around the corner. So this is going to boost their economy to be very, very strong for the next months to come. And if the economy is good for the next months to come, other things is going to bend down, except gold. Why? Because so far that tension is still ongoing. The price of gold will always continue to go up, because it's a safe haven pair, unless there's a ceasefire between Israel and Palestine, and then Russia and Ukraine. Thank you all.